Hello everyone, I'm live again. Today I'm live not in the evening, I'm live, how late is it? Almost 4 p.m. But I'm really happy that it's not the evening. So baby is having a nap and it's been I think 2 hours. I kind of start to miss her, but right now I have time to go live. And I'm just going to go live until she wakes up, and then we can finally play and read books. And but now she's still asleep, like a baby. Today apparently is I don't know if it's a really big day, but it's a news day, and there's some important news. I don't know if it already came out. I don't know if you're new here, by the way, I'm a total beginner. So this whole financial world, it's completely new to me. I don't really know what's important with the news, like what do I need to look for. Oh, there's a... Wait, I've got this background music, but there's an ad right now. A PayPal ad. Oh, and now a Gillette ad. Okay, we just need to... You will probably hear the ad in the background. I just wanted some chill lo-fi music while I'm looking at the charts and being live. Okay, we've got the music again. I don't know if you can hear it. I put the volume down, but let me know if it's nice, if it's good. I'll just get the live chat to see if there's anyone who is online right now. Where is my live streaming? Yes, there. There are 0 viewers. So I'm just going to look at the chart. I'm going to make my face a bit smaller because we don't need it to be that big. Okay. Whoopla. So as you can see, I am trading on a news day and it's not going very well. I'm a total beginner. Well, not so total beginner anymore. I mean, I've been trading for 24 days right now. But I made a beginner mistake. Even though a lot of subscribers told me, don't trade... Not necessarily don't trade on the news day, but don't trade like exactly on the time when the news is coming out. I think the news came out like 14:30. Oh, baby's waking up. If that's the case, then this is going to be the shortest live stream I've ever done. And she's going back asleep. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Otherwise, maybe the papa can get the baby and change the diaper. It's a bonding moment, Oop. A bonding moment with the baby. Oh, maybe she's sleeping again. Oh no. I'll tell you when it's official. Okay. So, as you see, I'm in a trade right now. Why did I take this trade? Well, I watched a live like Trader Nick, his live, and there they were kind of like looking at the data and the things that came out today with the unemployment rate, which is even higher than last week. Is that correct? It was like 247k, I think. It was all on Forex Factory, I think. And apparently there were a lot of factors that I personally don't really understand. But that said that the American economy is not as strong, and that the US dollar is weaker. And so when the US dollar is weak, then gold typically goes up, is what went on in my beginner mind, because I've heard it. Like if US dollar is weak, gold is stronger. So I bought gold, because here you see it was going down really sharply, like poof, and then it broke out and I entered, and now it's just going sideways. And now I'm in a minus 26, but like in the long term it will go up, so I'm not really scared. Okay. What am I doing? Let's see. I just want to see the live, if there's anyone. There are 3 viewers. That's nice. Hi everyone. So yeah, I'm losing 24 euros right now, but I'm not actually losing 24 euros, you know, because I believe it will go up. That's a really beginner way of thinking. The market doesn't care what I believe, but you know, it broke this trend line. Maybe this was a stupid trade, but it broke this trend line, you see? Like that, choop. And now we're going sideways. But, you know, I believe in gold. You see, it's been going up since forever, really. I looked at it like I never really, like, this is completely new to me. I also didn't really know about gold, that you could like invest in gold. I don't know, I'm not from this world, but apparently it goes like way back. And it's just going up and up and up and up and up, which is pretty cool. It's just like the indexes, they are also going up and up and up and up. So over the long term I'm good, but for now I'm minus 29. Baby is still sleeping, by the way. Okay, so on this account I actually, in this trade I have 700 euros. I'll just show you the trade. Oh my god. 5 units, and then trade value, where's my margin? Oh, I think I did, how much is it in it? Margin. Oh, available funds 139. Maybe I put like 600 in it. Is that no, oh, what? I don't know how much I put in it. Oh, that's really confusing. Margin 509. Well, my mind today is beginnering. It's really beginnering. Minus 40. Okay. Alright. Let me just go to one of my other paper trading accounts, because this is the paper trading account that I use for this YouTube, and that I want to grow, not lose money. I want to grow it. I started with 500 euros, and yeah, this is what I ended up with, 763. And now, of course, I'm in a trade that's losing money. So that's why here it's lower. But I want it to be like, I want it to grow. So this is my YouTube paper trading account. And then here I have a completely like a new account, 100,000 euros to trade with. So this is just going to be like trying things out, you know? So this is like as if it's my real money, and this is just trying the strategy out. So let me just see. I like the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Yeah, I'm in this trade right now and it's going down, and I did a buy order in my other paper trading account. So we are going down. We're still going down. Now, actually, I think my mistake with this trade was that I went into the 1 minute, I think. Yes, it was the 1 minute where I did my trend line, this very steep trend line, like that. And then the breakout, it wasn't really like, this trend line doesn't hold as much weight. Oh, baby's awake. Ubins, it's time to wake up, babe. Okay. The father is coming to get the baby. So I think this trend line was just too steep, just in the 1 minute, and then a breakout is not really, maybe not really a breakout. You see, because here it was just a pullback and it's still going down. So maybe it's going to hit my stop loss. I did my stop loss right here on my other paper trading account. Okay. So now I'm just going to, I'm going to remove this very steep trend line. And let's see, this is the most recent high. I'm going to make this red just to be a bit more organized. And it's still going down. So now I can wait like right here. I don't know why I did a rectangle, just to show that it's a zone of support, I guess. Because we have a lot of buying pressure, like pew. And here it actually like rejected the price, poop, like that when it reached this area. But now we're going to see, is it going to like push through? Because here there's a bullish trend line. And so normally it should respect this trend line. Especially with the news, right? I mean, skip. There we go. Hi, what's your overall bias for the market direction? Well, I'm still a beginner, like beginner, and the news doesn't really make sense to me yet. But as I said at the beginning of this live, I heard that there were multiple things that came out that kind of showed that the American economy is getting weaker, and therefore the US dollar is getting weaker. And when the US dollar and the American economy is getting weaker, metals like gold and silver are going up. So that's my overall bias. We are going up. But don't take it from me, okay? Definitely don't take it from me. Oh, we are going down. We're not going up. I think it actually hit my stop loss. I think I got stopped out on my other serious paper trading. Yes, oh no. I got stopped out, but it was a stupid trade. It was a stupid trade. That was really stupid. So now, instead of 760 something, yeah, I lost 60 euros. That was stupid. At least I'm still above like the 700. That was just a stupid trade because I heard the news on a live stream. They were talking about the things that like the American economy is getting weaker and then that the metals are getting stronger. So I thought, okay, I'm going to do a buy. Stupid. That was stupid. Okay. Yeah. So my mistake, something that I can learn from, is don't draw trend lines on the 1 minute. Just no, because that was a fake out, I think, because my trend line was like this, choop, it was really steep, then a breakout, and here I thought, okay, we're going up, but no, it actually continued going down because it was just a pullback on the higher time frame. So that was stupid, but I learned from it, and it's not real money. We are okay. Welcome to fundamentals. It might break lower. Why do you think it might break lower? Because when you look at the fundamentals, and I don't understand the fundamentals, but like it should be going up, right? Why should it break even lower? And this trend line, it is a trend line from the higher time frame. Like, you see? Oh wait, no, not really from the higher time frame, but since when? I mean, we've been going up like since the beginning of this year, well, since forever basically, but this trend line was since, oh, it's even more zoomed in. Yeah, this the trend line since last week. We've had this really steep bullish trend, but like overall it's been bullish. But why will it go lower? Maybe here, like a support area? For me, I listen to the news after my bias, then I compare. So how do you have your own bias with the technicals then? Like you look at the charts, you do your technical analysis, you have your own bias, and then you look at the news? Is that what you mean? There's a lot of liquidity below your trend line. Let's keep watching. Okay. A lot of liquidity below my trend line. Oh, it's this area right here. Maybe that's it. Wait, let me just draw a line. I don't know if this is good. That's the thing with being a beginner. You just doubt a lot. There's a lot of doubt. But I think this is right. This is a support area. Do you think price might go like all the way down to here? But that's weird. On a news day where it's positive for gold, why would it be going down? I don't understand. I don't see why it's going down. Also, let me just go to Forex Factory. No, I don't want to leave. Open a new tab. Forex Factory. So here, I don't know for gold where I need to look. Oh my god, I really feel like when you start a new job and everything is new and you just don't really understand what's going on, this feels like being in a new job and not understanding like the program that they're using and all the different terms. And eventually I'm going to get used to it, of course. That's always the case, but at the beginning there's always a lot of uncertainty, a lot of being insecure, not really feeling confident. So this is today. Main refinancing rate. It's a really red day. It's not a day for a beginner, I think, to trade. This is not the day. But I kind of want to understand a bit more. Yeah, I do my bias with the technicals. Oh wait, I need to make the chat a bit bigger. Yes, I do my bias with the technicals before checking the news. I try to predict the next draw on liquidity before the news shows its hand. Forex Factory can be super confusing. Been there, still there. Okay, that's reassuring. Okay, but that's good. So you don't watch the news first and then already have a bias and then try to look for confirmation on the chart, and maybe see things that aren't really there just to fit your bias of the news. That's really good. But I don't understand, like, I still don't understand why it's going down. When the news is so positive, not positive for America, of course, but positive for the metals and everything that's trading like against the US dollar. The news is like a confluence for me. Confluence is like an extra thing, right? Yes, I think that's what it means. Baby's awake. Oh, I missed her so much. It's been like 3 hours. She's been sleeping for like 3 hours. Baby! Baby! Kitty Chip chip! Wee! Mama is aan het werk. Ja. Kitty boy! Chip chip! Chip chip! Okay. Really good. No. The baby wants to play. Chippy deep. Woo! Stop. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, that makes sense. Oh no, again, YouTube is not receiving enough video data. And the connection is bad, apparently. Heb ik. Oh, choep. Oh, choep. Ja, is in vliegtuigstand. Well, according to YouTube, the connection is not really good. I keep having a problem with the connection. No. Baby wants to be with us. Yee. Agya. Yee. Yee. Okay, let me just... Oh yeah, Forex Factory. So it's a red day. monetary policy statement, unemployment claims. This is what I saw in the live stream. Apparently, this is not a really good sign for the American economy, because I think that there's more unemployment. That's what this means. Wow. Economical fundamental analysis. And ECB press conference. So this was already it already happened. But I don't know how long the market is going to react to the news. I don't know how long that takes normally. But would you think that price would go down here, like on this previous support level? I know, we'll see. Oh, it's a hammer. Things are looking bright again. Maybe this was just a really big pullback. It actually went through this trend line just for a little moment, and then poof, it spiked up again. That's a really bullish sign, I think. Cutie. I'm going to play with the baby in a few minutes because I missed her so much. I still want to do not revenge trading for my losing trade of 60 euros, which was stupid. I bought here. No, if that was the case, I'm buying here and selling here. That was nice, but no. I got stopped out right there. Right there. Good energy baby gives. Yes. Yeah, she's got the good vibes. The energy, the good baby vibes. She's so cute. But I think if it closes like this 1 hour candle, it closes bullish, then that's a really good sign. Then I might just do a buy order again and go up like this, like whoop, and revenge trade my 60 euros. No, just kidding. A little bit of revenge, but not really. No emotions. Okay. Yeah, I can't believe that it would go until here. That would be crazy. On such a beautiful news day as today, a beautiful day for gold. Why would it go down, Let's just look at silver. What is happening? Oh my god. Was this around the news? No, this was this morning. So people were looking in the future and they already knew that it was going to be a good day. Why is it going up like that in the morning? See, I don't know if this is like fundamentals that I'm just completely missing, and then at this moment there's some really big thing that happens in financial world and I have no idea, and then it just spikes up. I don't know how it just went from that to pew, like that. It's pretty cool if you're in a trade like this and it just goes like poof. And then Euro USD. Well, yes, of course, it's going up. It is going up. Yes, because if the dollar is getting weaker, the euro is getting stronger. See, I understand. And also the Great British Pound is going up. But I think that, like with these big candles, I don't really know what to think. Wait, here right? There's a bearish trend line. You can say that, like a lower high. And then it broke out, like this. Maybe this will become support again. I'm just trying to make sense of it. We could wait for further confirmations on the charts. Maybe, just maybe it's a buy. Yeah, maybe, right? It's a good day. We are going up. Do you do a top-down analysis? Well, yes, I did a top-down analysis. Right, that's from the higher time frames, and you go lower and lower and lower. So that's what I did. And it's bullish, like bullish, bullish, bullish. Oh, here? Maybe here I can draw a little bearish, pessimistic trend line, like this. Like that. Right? And then here it spiked through today. And then the 4 hours. I don't know why this is so weird. I think it should be like that. This one was already crossed. So I'm just going to delete. The 1 hour still in the downtrend. But here an uptrend. I think this is just a pullback. No, we'll see. Let's just wait for confirmation. And if it is going up, then it's a buy. Also here, it broke through this trend line that I just drew. And then went back again. How do you keep up with the trend lines? Do you get lost sometimes? Yes, sometimes, especially like when I first started. Of course, right now I'm only 24 days in, and I think only like 10 days I've been like focusing on the trend lines. But for the first days, it was a bit chaotic. It's like Tori Trades, she says like it looks a bit like a laser show with all these lines. And yes, it can be a bit chaotic sometimes. But you know, I'm just focusing on the trend lines, and then I get a bit more of an idea of how the market moves, and how it moves in trends. What does it look like when the trend reverses? And then eventually maybe I'm going to learn a bit more about the smart money concepts, because I still want to learn about that. But for now, it's the trend lines and the breakouts and support and resistance. I don't know what this was. In your terms, what would you call this? I think, is it a demand zone? Because you have like this, I just marked it like a zone where you see here, you suddenly have this big spike, and I think I drew it in this. Yeah, price was just wiggling around a little bit, and here as well, and then poof. So I just marked it as a zone to look at. And here as well, like we had this rejection and then it went up again. But here it actually went through. But it's a zone. The market is choppy. Ah, you're from Brazil. That's cool. Welcome to the live. Hi, Amer. Hi, welcome back. You could go down to the 15 minutes if the 1 hour isn't unclear. Yeah, I really like the 15 minutes. Gives you just enough like swing highs and swing lows, a bit of detail, but it's still like a bit more reliable than the 1 minute and the 5 minutes, because this losing trade, it was with the 1 minute. I don't know what I was thinking. The 1 minute. Oh no. Yeah, that was stupid. But the 15 minutes I like. Oh wow, look. Is that an engulfing candle? You see? But here as well we had one and then it went down. Just going to see if it's going to break out of this bearish trend line, then I can do a buy. And then hopefully we go up again. We'll see. Also, I kind of want to make a little bit more sense of what happened here. Okay, unemployment claims. Let's see. May 29, May 22. So this is every single week. We have the unemployment claims. And I think it's every, yeah, then it's every Thursday. Where's the 247? Because that's of today. Oh, this is the history. 1 hour and 45 minutes ago. Ooh. Okay. Very bad news from USD in this week. Buy gold. See, that's what I was thinking. Buy gold. And I got stopped out. People on Forex Factory are pretty funny. Ooh, he doesn't like Trump. So it increased for a second straight week, pointing to softening labor market conditions amid mounting economic headwinds from tariffs. Okay. Now I'm going into the finance news rabbit hole. Note the BC fair value gap at 3 on 15 minutes. She's not ICT major. Use simpler words. Yes. I know fair value gap, but the BC break in structure. I don't know. I know, I just want her to see it. Good call. Wait, note the BC? What is BC? Fair value gap at 3 on the 15 minutes. Let's see. On the 15 minutes at 3. this is like right here, I think. Wait. Right, this is a fair value gap, I think. Let me, like that. Oh, it actually went down and then up again. Oh, that's, if this is correct, what I'm doing right now, then that's cool. That's nice. Because yes, when it touched this, the fair value gap, that's when it went up like this. But it was already filled. I don't know if this is correct, what I'm doing here. Thanks. Amer, is this what you mean? But when it's already filled, then it's no longer like a thing, right? Not this. 3370, the gap there. Oh, we still use it even if it has filled. Okay. But wait, what? 3370, the gap there. 3370. Is here a gap? And then, wait. I have no idea what you guys are talking about. Oh. What is the fair value gap? At 3? I don't understand. Is it here? Is this a fair value gap? Like, oh. No, but you said 3370. It's at 10 a.m. Just look for it. There's two. One at 10 a.m. Okay, let's see. 10 a.m. Where do you see a fair value gap? No way. Baby is exploring the house. She's starting to crawl on her belly. But the fair value gap, I don't see it at all. Is it this little small thing? No, can't be that small thing. Oh, stop. Wee! Wacht, laat haar rennen. She's ready to go. Woo! And the second one is at 3 a.m. What? Oh, New York time. Yeah, there's a gap between 3370 and 3367 on the buy side. Put your time at 12 hours, not 24 hours. Wait, I'll just do New York. And I like 24 hours because I'm used to the 24 hours, but I'll just put it on New York. Oh. Oh. Baby, I am coming, okay? Wait. Right now it's 10. So, here there's a fair value gap between 3370 and what? You see, the ICT things, they're just making me confused. Is it this? No, that's not a fair value gap. What? I mean, you are giving me all the details, but I still don't understand. There's a gap between 3370 and 3367. 3370 and 336. Oh, wait, 67. Ah, right here. Ah, that one I found. It is. Wait, can I? Wait, I had it. Right? Okay, and price went there and then it pushed up again. So that's why we have this rejection. So it went to the fair value gap, filled the fair value gap, and it pushed. So this is a bullish sign, I think. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I'm going to play with baby because she's too cute. She's getting impatient. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, right there. Finally, I found it. Thanks. Thank you. Wow. Okay, so this is a bullish sign, right? That it went there and then poof, it went up. That's a good sign. So we buy. There's a CB. I don't know what CB is. Amer. I don't know what CB is. But I need to go to the baby. Baby! Hey, you can play with me? Yes, baby. There's a CB fair value gap at 845. 845. Skip. 845. Let me just look at that. Ah, whoa, yes. Oh my god, you just have to like train your eyes to see these kind of things. Because at first I don't really see them. Maybe that's because I'm focused on the trend lines and then I don't look at these things. It's good, you know, it's good to know these things. So thank you for pointing it out to me. Okay, let's do fair value gap. So does this mean that when it touches this, maybe it's going down again. You can go to the 5 minutes and see another gap at 9:45. Oh wow, you're just hunting for gaps everywhere. 5 minutes, 9:45. 9:45. Oh yeah, right there. Like that, right? Chibi-dip, chibi-dip. Ooh. Fair value gap. Oh wow, so here what happened when it touched it? It just went down. So this is a resistance, right? But then you have this fair value gap. And wow, this just makes me excited to, I don't know, continue learning about the smart money concepts, ICT, whatever you want to call it. It's just interesting to know and to have a bit more to look at other than trend lines. Does this mean that this, like here you have double resistance, like 2 zones of resistance, and then here you have a support level, and now maybe price is just going to bounce between these two? Or what do you do with these fair value gaps? Like, what do you look at? You can go to the 5 minute. Yeah, I did that. Sell side imbalance, buy side efficiency. CP. Sell side imbalance. So it basically means the sellers are weaker and buyers are stronger? I don't know. Sell side imbalance, buy side efficiency. Between 3390 and 3384. 33. I don't know where you are seeing that one. 3390 and 3384. Because for me it ends here, like 3390 until here. See, until this week. Yeah, exactly. Yes, buy, you have to know the narrative. Yes, but you have to know the narrative. It should be buy to the bigger fair value gap on 15 minutes. Hey, I want to know something about ICT concepts. Which is, what does ICT killer zones mean and what time zone they're in? You marked it already. Okay, thank you, Ore. Yeah, Void, you need to ask the people in the chat, because I'm an ultra beginner, and the people in the chat, they know a lot about ICT concepts. Baby. Okay, baby is with the papa right now, so she's good. She's happy. But what do you mean, Ore? What do you mean with it should buy to the bigger fair value gap on 15 minutes? It should buy to the bigger fair value gap. Wait, let me just stay on the 5 minutes, because then I can see a bit more of what is going to happen. For the Forex, London opened at 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Then New York opened at 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Then London closed at 10 a.m. to the noon. Yeah, that's for American time, right? Oh, but Amer, you are in Syria, but you just look at the American time, I guess. So you just have your charts on the American time, like I'm doing right now. Because I just had it on just Paris time. And then I think the London opens at 9 here in Europe. Like 9 until... Is it just 9 to 5? I don't know. Amer answered already. Oh wow, price actually broke through this zone. So then this is no longer valid, or I don't really know how to use these fair value gaps, to be honest. It's just going down, and it broke this bullish trend line. Why is it going down? I still don't understand why gold is going down. Like when you look at the fundamentals, it should be going up, like it did here. But then as soon as... Wait, where's the news? It was... Oh yeah, of course it is. This is American time. Because the news was around 14:30. And that's when it just went down. And I don't understand why. And now, oh my god, look at that candle. Wow. I'm happy I did the stop loss. Because otherwise I would have been here. And I would have lost a lot more than 60 euros. Well, actually, maybe not a lot more. I mean, see, that's where I stopped out, just on the trend line. For futures, London opened at 2 a.m. to 5 a.m., then pre-session at 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m., then 8:30 a.m. to 12 a.m. for the a.m. session. Then from the 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. is the lunch. Okay. Okay, thanks, Amer. Okay, thanks. Then can you tell which UTC time zone should I... Oh, those are the killer time zones. That's... Oh. Ah, okay. Can you tell which UTC time zone should I set according to the time period? Okay, right now I have no idea what you are talking about in the chat, but it's cool. You are helping avoid with the ICT things. So normally with my trend line strategy, I think, yeah, this is a breakout. But it feels so weird to short gold when the fundamentals are so good. Okay, UTC -4, 15 minutes. I'm on the 15 minutes. Yeah, I don't think it's valid because it broke through, right? So then I can remove this. Oh, oh. So now we have this one. Maybe it's going to fall just until here and then it's going to spike up again. I don't know, we'll see. It just wicked through in the 15 minutes, so the fair value gap is still very much valid. Okay, wait, I think I can... Yes, there it is again. Okay, so if it's just wicked through, but you see this candle is really going through it right now. I think if it closes through the fair value gap, then then it's no longer valid. I'm also not sure, like, this fair value gap, like, price touched it and then it went up really aggressively. So is this fair value gap also something like a buy zone, like a demand zone? And then when this candle closes below this zone, then it's no longer valid. Is that what it means? And then here as well, we had this fair value gap, and when price touched, it actually went up pretty aggressively, just a bit earlier than here. And then maybe it's going to touch and go up again, or the same is going to happen here. I'm just trying to see the logic in this all. Don't delete it. You can use it as an invalid fair value gap later. IFVG. Invalid, is that what it means? And then maybe like if it acts like a demand zone and price just goes through it, so it's invalidated, then maybe this zone will become a supply zone. Is that a bit like, do fair value gaps act like supply and demand? Is that correct, or? It could be a demand zone if it is below liquidity, then prices would tap in for a change in market direction. If it's below liquidity, then prices would tap in for a change in market direction. If it's below, like, I still need to learn a lot. If it's below liquidity, how do I know if it's below liquidity? Hi. Um, IFVG is inversion FVG. Ah, so that's what it means. Like, if before it served like a demand zone basically, and then now and here it served as a demand zone, and then now price is breaking through, it's an inverted FVG and it becomes supply. But then still, like, do you guys have any logical reason for why gold is going down since the news came out? Like, it's really, since that news came out, it's just been going down so aggressively, and I don't understand why. So that just makes me think, like, should you even look at the fundamentals? Is it going to confuse you? Because in my mind, when I heard about the news and someone explaining like what this means for the economy and what this means for gold, I thought, okay, we're going up. And here I just see it going down, and it just makes me confused. Note the sell side liquidity at 155. Amer, I don't know sell side liquidity, but I'll just look. 1:55 a.m. Around here. Is this what you mean? Is this the sell side liquid? No, I have no idea what it means. Sell side liquidity. Ah, that's maybe the people who wanted to go short right here, and they did their stop losses right here, and then the market went down, took those stop losses, and then up again. Is that what it means? Like sell side liquidity, the liquidity from the sellers. Does that make sense? Well, maybe that makes sense. Maybe that's what it means. That just came through my head. Like, okay. Fair value gaps can be considered a support or demand zone if it's invalidated. ICT student here. Okay, nice. Something like that. It might buy soon. It's creating a MMBM. Or I have no idea what that is. Note the low at 155. Yeah. I don't trade gold as much, but I have been trading it recently to understand it more. I mastered Great British Pound, USD, and Euro USD as my main pairs to trade. Okay, you need to explain it better for her, Amer. Yeah, that is the sell side, sorry, yeah. Oh, but it's cool. It's like the explanation just came to my mind. Really nice, okay. Okay, that's cool. I have my marker between price shouldn't go below. Baby! Baby's just waiting for me to play with her. Oh my god. Baby! Hey! Okay. Okay, so liquidity. By the way, Ore, I have my maker between 366, so price shouldn't go below. We'll see. We'll see if price doesn't go below. I'm going to baby in a few minutes, or in 1 minute. So liquidity in ICT is seen as swing highs or swing lows. You get better areas of liquidity when you see equal highs or lows to target. Smooth edges like to be jagged. Okay, oh yeah, that makes sense. Currently, I think gold is generating a false move, a fake sell for a big buy. Ah, oh. So now the market is being manipulated by the big boys, right? MMBM is a term for market maker bearish model. It's from the market maker X model series on or the blah 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 if you search for it. Think I'll stay here and guide for a little while. Yeah, it's really nice. Thank you, Crips and Amer and Ore. It's really helpful. Crips, it's buy model. Yeah. Oh, my bad. I made a mistake. Oh. But baby is good again. She's playing with the papa. Okay. Oh yeah, I should say I mainly trade the ICT 2022 mentorship model. But in one mentorship model, there are a lot of concepts, right, that he's talking about. So do you just use all of those concepts on your chart? Doesn't it get really cluttered and confusing, or? Okay, I should say I mainly trade, yeah, okay, I still believe that it will take the sell side. So what do you mean with that, Amer? Wow, Amer. What do you mean with that? Like, price is going down and it will take the sell side. So you mean that here there will be liquidity again, like stop losses from people who will be going short, or I don't know. Okay, if it buys, my target will be 3388. Ore, I don't know how to pronounce the name. Ore, do you mean like if it buys, you mean like if it goes up, if it's bullish, or if it buys? I don't know what you mean with that. I managed to get funded, but not a payout in January this year, so I'm preparing to try again. Oh, wow. Okay, so that means that you got a funded account, so you passed the test, but then right now you haven't made any profits, and then you don't get a payout, or I don't know how it works with funded accounts. It's a great model. Amer, we wait and see. Yeah, that's what we do. Okay. Well, this slowly going up again. But it's still closed below. Or wait, maybe not, because I did my rectangle a bit too small. You see, maybe it's still closed between, like, inside of the fair value gap. I don't know if that means anything. That it didn't go through completely, you see? I don't know if that's something you look at when you watch the fair value gaps. No, I don't use every single thing. I take trades with what works for me. So, like, let's say in the 2022 model, there are things like inversion, fair value gap. Amer just told me what it means. Inversion, fair value gap, I think that's it. UDA swing, MSS, CIST, BISI, and CB. Okay. All right. That's still a lot of concepts. But I think, like, when you start your trading day, you just look at the chart, and for each concept you mark the things that you see, and then you work from there. That's still a lot, but it's a lot compared to the trend lines, like just trend line, breakout, confirmation, and then you get in. But that's still the reason why I still want to learn more about the ICT or smart money concepts, because it's good to understand a bit more, like what moves the price and what are zones that I need to look at, because otherwise I wouldn't have seen this zone at all. I would just see like, oh, we broke out of this bullish trend line. I don't know, normally this would be a moment for me to short. But I'm not sure right now because we have this fair value gap here. So if I didn't go live today and you guys didn't tell me about the fair value gaps, I wouldn't have this rectangle on my chart, and I would just think, okay, it broke this trend line, we are going short. But maybe that would have been a mistake, or not really. If I can just do a short and then it goes down, that's still like, I don't know, 80 euros, something like that. For wait. Hi, wait. Oh my god, there are so many chats. That's so cool. Yeah, if it's bullish, the top will be 3388. Oh, okay. And that's where you put your take profit. Okay, I understand. Yeah, with the Fivers, I got funded, but lost the account due to losing streak. Oh, that's not too good. Are you sure that ICT is working? That's not too good. Hi, just found your channel. This type of content is so helpful, learning along with others. Yeah, I know. It's so cool to just go live, and I don't know, the trading community here on YouTube, they are so helpful, and it's really cool. Because I'm learning, but then also other beginners can also just watch the live and learn a lot from people in the chat. It's really nice. Learning along with others. Where did you learn what you know so far? Well, I'm on day 24 right now of my trading journey, so I'm still pretty much an ultra beginner in this. And I learned it through YouTube videos, and a lot of the things that I learned are from people that subscribe to my channel, and that just helped me a lot. And now I'm just focusing on like the trend lines, but a lot of the people who watch my live, they like ICT, so I also learn about fair value gaps and things like that. So these rectangles that I did, it's all with the help of people in the chat. I didn't come up with these fair value gaps myself, but I kind of start to understand how they work a little bit. And what about you? Are you also a complete beginner in this, or just curious? For me, with my model, I only picked a few things that I understood well and used that for the model only. So example, rate on liquidity, MSS, market structure shifts. Oh yeah, that I know. I know market structure shift. It's like the change of character, right? I think it's the same. Fair value gap or imbalance, and the FIP OTE, optimal trading entry. See, I've seen some videos. This is fun. Nice, thank you, Ore. I also think it's fun. It's really nice. 3088 is the low hanging Fruit? Oh, fruit. Low-hanging fruit approach. So, Amer, you think it's conservative? 3088? Amer, look at the 1 minute. The fuck? Oh no. Look at the 1 minute time frame. Not the fuck. Look at the 1 minute time frame. Okay, if it breaks the 3372 high, we are officially bullish. He specifically said, choose a few things that works for you, choose a few things that work for you, and make it simple. You should be able to explain your trade strategy on the business cards. That's the thing he likes to say. Oh, that's nice. Just keep it simple. Keep it short and simple. Do you journal your trades? I started journaling my trades in the Google Docs, in the Google Docs, just really simple. But then I just stopped. I think that's also something with discipline. I think that's something with discipline. And I need to journal my trades. But I actually had a little journal with things that I can actually show you. I think, let's see. Dogs. With things that I learned from my trades. Oh, Google Docs is not loading. Okay, never mind. But yeah, I journaled a bit. Fun pro tip here, use TradingView indicators to make your life easy. Sorry, I'm still thinking about the fuck. It's not even that funny, but I'm still thinking about it. Oh, okay. Now because I have to laugh, I cannot hold it back. It wasn't even that funny. Okay. It's even worse when you're live. Okay, stop it. Okay, I'm literally. It's not even that funny. Okay. Do you journal your trades? Okay, yes, I answered that. What the fuck? No, okay, I sound crazy. I'm doing great for this. Okay. Okay. I am okay, Amer. I'm okay. Oh my god. I'm okay. Oh. Baby, help me. Oh my god. Woo. Okay. I'm okay. Okay. I'm actually feeling a bit sick of laughing. Wait until you have more the fuck moments in your trading. Or she understands the stuff. Oh my goodness. Who knows a therapist? Okay. Oh my god, we're all laughing together. This is very wholesome. I get that many people hate the guy, but it works for me. Not to mention there are people like Jade Cat. Oh my god, no, not the ugly laugh. Not to mention there are people like Jade Cat who got millions in payout from this strategy. That's really good. That's really nice. Woo! Oh, you are a psychotherapist. That's cool. That's nice. Woo! Who would have thought that trading was so funny? Wow. Okay. But you know the... Baby. You know the thing that just makes me doubt a little bit about ICT is that I don't know if he's making millions with his trading. I don't know. But if his concepts work for other people, it's working. Get it together. I'm getting it together. The laugh is gone. Now we are getting serious again. Okay. Whew. That was weird. That was really weird. Anyway, let's go back to the charts. What are we seeing here? It actually touched this fair value gap. And what is happening? Price rejected. And now maybe it's going up again. We'll see what happens. One thing she should know is that not every trader's journey will be the same, and it will take time. Yes. I'm getting emotional with it. It will take time. I'm not getting my Porsche right away. It will take time. Anyway, I'm just going to see what happens with this fair value gap. If we are going to respect this fair value gap, and maybe we are going up, finally. You know, maybe this was a false. How did you call it? False short. Oh wow. Okay, we're back in business. Yes, we are back in business. Some of the students are very profitable, but ICT, makes a couple $1,000s. He showed it in the housekeeping video for 2025 mentorship episode 1. Yeah, I saw a live stream on this compilation of Iman Trading. You know, he does these compilations that are pretty funny of, I hope, of ICT. Of ICT. And he was losing all the time. Okay. But yes, I'm also an extreme beginner. Oh wow. I only trade stocks and options. It's mostly gambling. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. For me at the beginning, I also felt like I was just gambling. Still, with some trades, I just take the trades without really thinking, without like a clear strategy, and it feels a bit like gambling. So that's why I want to learn a lot more. I don't know if ICT is good for like an extreme beginner. I personally got confused. Do you know what backtesting is? Yes, I know what backtesting is. With a replay, you can do backtesting, but it's only in the daily and the weekly. That's for free on TradingView, and the other ones, like with replay, it's paid. Trading is just educational gambling in a sense. Don't mind my sense of humor. Yeah, well, yeah, kind of it is, because it's still like gambling. It's still probabilities. You never know for sure. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. So I know backtesting, but for now, I think I can just backtest in the daily and then do like replay and then just speed it up really fast. But yeah, right now I'm just doing it like real, like live, like real life, lifetime. How do you say it? Like live. What's happening at the moment, you know? But I don't take as much paper trades as I want to, because I don't know. I don't know, maybe it's insecurity that I'm not fully confident about my setups. Maybe it's this losing trade that I just had. By the way, my realized P&L is still in the plus, but I resetted this account to reset the leverage, because I don't know, for the OGs on this channel, I started with the 500 euros, and then I had some profits, like 560, and then I had one day where I lost 100 with like stupid trades, and then I had two very profitable trades, and then my account was 760, and now I had this losing trade of 60 right here, wait. Oh yeah, yesterday I think I made 16 euros. And today I had a losing trade, yes, of 61. So that leaves me with the 700. But I'm still like in the plus, you know, I'm still plus 200 basically. Yeah, I'm still plus 200 because I started with 500. But my account was resetted for the leverage. Okay, well, let me hook you up with the sauce for backtesting. There's a website called Forex Replay that you can backtest years of Forex data for free. Oh, that's really good. Forex Replay. Let me just see what it looks like. Forex Replay. Oh, wow. There it is. My internet connection is really slow. You see, it's loading and loading and loading. Well, while that's loading, wow, it's really bad. It's a game of probabilities, yes. I tried ICT in my early days of trading, but I just find this content too complex for me. That's also what I was thinking, like it was really chaotic compared to the other trading videos that I saw. Yeah, it was a bit too chaotic for me. The other I use is Forex Tester 6. There's the free version which limits you to a month of data, but the license you buy gives you 20 years of Forex data, mainly to trade with. You're doing just fine. Thank you, Ori. Oh, but is it already loaded? Oh my god, it's still loading. Oh no. Trading with confidence starts with backtesting. Oh wow. I'm actually going to put this in my bookmarks and then I can do some backtesting. That's really nice. Let me go back to the chat. I like the ICT stuff because the way my mind works is that I like to figure out how things work. Yeah, me too. That's why there's still like a door open to ICT in my mind. You can in fact find compact versions of the mentorship on different channels by looking for summarized versions. I think if I'm going to go ICT, I'll do that. Okay, cool. So ICT is too complex for beginners. What YouTube channels do you like currently? I look at Tori Trades. She does the trendline strategy and it works really well for her. She's profitable and I think she also her biggest trade with trend lines was 50,000, which is impressive. And it just looks so simple and it's really easy to understand, like the breakout strategy of trend lines. And it kind of gave me an idea of how price is moving and how reversals go. And I think for beginners it's really simple. And it works. That's the most important thing. I started with supply and demand and doing good so far. Supply and demand, I also heard about that in the Smart Money Concepts videos that I watched. So maybe I'm going to watch some videos about that as well, because that also sounded like, it seems logical to me. It makes sense to me, the supply and demand. Soft FX. What is that? Soft FX is a good one though. Soft FX is a good one too. I hate that backtesting software. It's soft Forex or something, it's clunky. An advice, you can learn about propulsion blocks. It's an ICT concept that will be a great confluence to your trendline strategy. Okay, I will actually write that down. Wait, I don't have a pen. I'll just write it down in Google Docs. Because I have a document with things of things I'm learning with trading. And of course Google Docs is not loading because the connection is so bad. But I'm going to write that down. So it's propulsion blocks. Propulsion blocks. Okay. You're welcome for tips. Do you want me to give you a good trade breakdown or tips/guide on trading? Perhaps you should try it, don't ask it. Well, yeah, that's Crips. If you have Discord, I can just we can just chat and send screenshots of each other trades, and then you can kind of give me feedback. I can learn from your trades. I really like that idea. That sounds good. I found soft FX good for me because I can use almost all MT4 indicators when backtesting. Aha. Bro, okay, I'll just watch a YouTube video on it. Speaking of videos, I need to make some to upload today. Oh, you are also a YouTuber. That's cool. What's gold looking like, fellas? Yeah, let's actually look at gold. Gold is still going down. Oh my. Let me go to the 15 minutes. Wow. Wow. We're almost reaching the end of the fair value gap. Is it going even lower? Oh nee. Oh wow, it is going lower. So if this fair value gap is like, if we break out of this fair value gap, then shit is going down, right? Here's your sell side has taken. This will help you by taking the stress of calculating lot sizes. It can do multiple take profits and trailing drawdown. Crips, I have no idea what you are talking about. This will help you by taking the stress of calculating lot sizes. It can do multiple take profits and trailing drawdown. I know. We have a Discord. We can all join. Oh, that can be good. Yes. We have a Discord we can all join. Yeah, I'm fine with that. I have Discord. I think I put it on my channel. I don't remember though. I think all for helping newbie traders. I like guiding them and having them save time rather than be blind trying to figure out things. Okay, that's cool. So we'll just go to your channel and then we can get into the Discord. Do you have a Discord like a channel for multiple people, or do you just mean like I have Discord for private chats? I know what lot sizes are. I know I know wait. A standard lot is 100,000 something. A standard lot is 100,000, but I don't know 100,000 what, like what 100,000. For example, one lot of Euro USD, is that like 100,000 euro in Euro USD? Is that it? Wait, I don't have an official channel. I can create an official channel. Wait, Discord. I see. I have private Discord, but I plan on making a server when I get things in order and a YouTube channel for that separately. That's a good idea. Do you see the price I Oh wow, we actually, in the meantime, we went through the fair value gap. Wow, it's still going down. What is this line? I think I did a support line here. Yes. Four. I have a private Discord, yes, Sure, I'll go with that. You can create your community and people can join in. Okay, lag. Yeah. One lot at Euro USD is 100,000 euro. Yeah, nice. Lucky for you, I have screenshots of most of my trades. I plan on trading view and the executions. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, I'll just... I have the Freckle Pips chat. And now I don't know how to share it with you. Let's see. Invite friends. Copy. And I think... Wow! Wow! Can you still hear me, by the way? Okay. I hope this works. Why don't you trade futures? Well, I think for futures, I tried to do like the futures that I saw in Tory Trades, like platinum futures. And with my paper trading account, I only have 500 euro in it. Well, now it's 700 euros. But it told me that, well, you have to have like a minimum amount of money that you put in for futures. So I didn't have enough money. I was too poor for futures. So that's why when I look at like, I have platinum in my watch list, for example, and it's just CFD. I think, where's my platinum? Right here. It's under Forex, that's stupid. But, or is it Forex? XBT USD. Maybe it is Forex, but it's a CFD. I don't really know what CFD is, but yeah. Rest in peace, earphone users. Oops. I'm sorry. I started trading Forex because it was really easy, but futures was expensive in my opinion. However, now I'm getting into that. Yeah, futures, it's more expensive. Yeah, I can join in the Discord. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, then we can have like a chat with people who help each other. It's really nice. And we can just learn from each other's trades. I mean, that's why there are trading servers. But it's nice. It's exciting. I like it. Price wants to take out the 3351 low. So maybe it would reverse from there, just watching. Price wants to take out, okay. I'll just put a line 3351 low. Let me just go back to gold. Whoa, oh wow. 335151515151. Oh, it's already there. So maybe it's going to go up. We'll see. Ah yeah, because it's the previous low. We'll see what happens. Okay, poor is no trading futures, poor is yes trading Forex. That's the logic. Well, anyway, I am going to play with baby because I haven't like really played with her in like 4 hours, and that's unheard of. You know, it's not possible to not play with baby for 4 hours straight. So I'm going to go offline. A quick summary guide for new traders. Give me a second. Okay, I will give you a second. Don't worry. We will wait for the chat. No pressure, but we will wait for it. Ooh, going down. Okay. 1, pick a strategy and stick to it. 2, backtest until profitable. Okay. And 3, invest into yourself by doing prop firm accounts. Start with the smallest account size, cheaper. Use payouts to scale up. Okay. Build up personal capital. Baby! Use payouts to scale up. Build up personal capital to trade with. Freedom from prop firm rules. Make sure to learn and do proper risk management. Really good. Baby agrees. I'm so sorry for anyone who is wearing earphones. Baby! Oh my god. Okay, that's about it. Mindset, really important. Okay. Well, that was a really nice session. Thank you so much, everyone, for all the advice. And we will see what's going to happen. Let me just go back to gold. Ooh, it's still going down. Well, we'll see. If it's going to go up, then we buy, I guess. Ooh, it still feels like gambling. But yeah, still a lot to learn. But thank you so much for being in this live. My ears are bleeding. I think the baby just likes distracting you. Yes. She's actually crawling to me. Hey. Okay, I will play with baby. And I wish you all a really good afternoon, a nice evening. Yeah, it was a good stream. Really nice. I need to rest my ears. Okay. Thank you all for everything in the chat. Thank you so much. It was really gezellig, as we say in Dutch. It was really cozy. I like it. It's really nice. Okay. On the 5 minutes, you can mark the 3356 and the 3353 in an IVG. Let me just make like a note of that. My camera is going to go away right now, but just going to note it. 3356, 3356, and 3353. 3353. An inverse fair value gap. When green candles cross it, it's a buy signal. Okay, thank you so much, Ori. I will look at that and we'll see what happens. Okay, bye bye everyone. I'm going to end the stream right now and I wish you all a really nice day and a really nice evening and a good night already. In like a few hours. Okay, bye bye everyone. Wait, you don't see the camera. Bye bye. Bye everyone.